Hey guys, today I'm going to shoot an H&R 1871 shotgun. This is the Excell model. Got this a few weeks ago. I've put some rounds to it. I did have a problem with this shotgun, by the way, but I'll go over that toward the end of the video. But what we have here, Excell model, as you can see, it has a short barrel. This one is 18.5 inches. And I'll tell you what, I love short-barreled rifles. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to really like this short-barreled shotgun because I've always wanted one. 12-gauge semi-auto short barrel. Just, you know, I like to shoot fast, and I think this will allow me to do that. So let's go over it real quick. We're going to load up, do some shooting, and then I'll go over a few other things such as the gas system, and we'll go over the little problem I had, which has been fixed, I believe. So we have a synthetic stock, aluminum receiver, again the 18.5 inch barrel. I do like that front sight sitting on that ramp. 5 rounds in the magazine, 1 round in the chamber. The safety is behind the trigger. We have the operating handle. We have the bolt release, and we have a little button right here called the carrier release right there. What that does, you'll notice the slide doesn't lock back. So if I push that little carrier release, now I can throw a round in here, close the bolt, load up the magazine, and I'm ready to fire. Oh, one more thing before I start shooting. This shotgun actually takes screw-in chokes, and you don't see that very often on a short barrel like this, but comes with 4 choke tubes. Let me pull one out here. Now, it comes with improved cylinder, modified, improved modified, and it comes with full choke. And it also comes with, of course, a choke wrench. Also comes with a magazine plug, so I can limit magazine capacity to 2 rounds. And if you hunt migratory birds, you know that's a requirement. So let's get this loaded up, do some shooting, and then I'll come back and talk to you about the problem I had with this shotgun when I first got it. So I will put in earplugs. I will pick up all my trash when I'm done. So let's get shooting. Three-inch magnum buckshot, 5 gallons of water. Damn, that thing kicks. There you go.
nasty.
Whoa. Three gallons of water versus one 12-gauge slug. Woo! Hey guys, I want to talk about the gas system on this real quick. When I first got this shotgun, it would not cycle light target loads. And I assumed it was because of the short barrel. It just wasn't able to build up enough pressure to work the action. But anyways, I called H&R and he told me to replace the O-ring. He said the O-ring in this was kind of flimsy and just a cheap O-ring. He said put in a Remington O-ring. And I did, and bam, that took care of the problem. So we have been shooting light loads through this. We've been shooting heavy loads, a couple 3-inch magnums. Now I do have to turn that piston around when I shoot magnums. I'm going to show you that real quick. The shotgun is clear. Now to turn this piston around so I can shoot magnum loads is very easy. I'm going to take off the forearm, take off the barrel. Son, if you can come in just a little bit here. Here's that O-ring right here. If you have a Remington 1100, you know what this O-ring does. Here's my piston. Back up just a little bit. Here's my piston. Now to shoot magnums, I'm going to take off the O-ring. Now this is set on light loads right now, light/standard loads. I'm just going to take my piston off, turn it around, put my O-ring back on. Put on the barrel. Now it's just that easy to switch that piston. So now I can shoot 3-inch magnums. So son, let's set up a target and put a couple 3-inch magnum shells through this, okay? How's the recoil on that?
Not too bad, but yeah, I could definitely feel it.
You can definitely feel that 3-inch.
Yeah.
Especially with that short barrel. Hey guys, I'm going to wrap it up. It's starting to get dark. But I'll tell you, I really love this shotgun. I love the short barrel. I love the fact it takes screw-in chokes. I like the fact it shoots standard loads plus 3-inch magnums. My son loves shooting it. Anyways, I appreciate you watching my video. And we'll see you guys next time.